Welcome to iSpoke Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Opposition Congress and BJP workers locked up Odisha Women and Child Development Minister Tukuni Sahu and kept her confined for hours in a government bungalow at Kuchinda Township on Wednesday. This was during a 12-hour shutdown by the two parties against the attack on their workers by alleged ruling BJD activists during a visit by Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. Sahu was in Kuchinda to distribute smart health cards under Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana, which was launched in the district by Patnaik on Tuesday. According to the police, the opposition party's workers rushed to the bungalow when the minister was chairing a meeting of the officers there and locked the main gate, forcing her to be confined there. They raised slogans against the government for Tuesday's attack by BJD workers on Congress and BJP activists who were demonstrating during the Chief Minister's visit to press their demand for the removal of Minister of State for Home D.S. Mishra in Kalahandi women teacher kidnap and murder case. As Sahu was forced to stay in the bungalow for hours, the local police rushed to it and picked up the protesters. Ravi Nayak, the BJP State General Secretary, was one among them. BJP and Congress had separately called the 12-hour Kuchinda Bandh after the president of Kuchinda Youth Congress Unit, Jayant Kishan, was beaten up mercilessly by a group of people allegedly members of BJD on Tuesday. Kishan is still in hospital. The Bandh evoked partial response in the township as the business community of the area did not extend support in the view of Dhanteras and Diwali festivals. Nayak told reporters before being picked up by the police that the BJP workers were holding a demonstration when the BJD goons attacked them during the Chief Minister's visit on Tuesday. This is Gunda Raj by the BJD, and the police administration had turned a mute spectator to the attack on the opposition party activists. We have therefore called for the bandh from 6 a.m. on Wednesday, they said. Congress leader Rajendra Kumar Kshatriya echoed him and said that the party gave the bandh call to protest against BJD's Gunda Raj. Mishra is being accused by the opposition parties of being close to the prime accused in the Kalahandi teacher murder case and even helping him to escape from police custody on October 17th night, 9 days after the crime. The minister has denied the allegations and has claimed that he had no role in the crime. However, he did not say anything on his alleged link with the prime accused in his two-page statement clarifying his position. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iSpoke Media.